In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Figma design to a website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Figma and navigate to the specific design you wish to publish. This is where your work comes to life, so take a moment to ensure that everything looks just right. Remember, anything you're creating in Figma can eventually find its way to the web, so meticulousness here pays off. Now that you're in your design, the next step is to copy the design you want to publish. This is an important part of the process because you'll need this copy to work with in the next steps. Go ahead and select your design and press Command or Control-C to copy it. This action is like getting everything prepped for baking. You want to have all your ingredients ready before starting. After you've copied your design, look to the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the Figma icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose File and then select New. Here's where the real fun begins. Among the options presented, you should see one labeled Site. Click on that option. Once you've done this, you'll land on a new interface that's specifically designed for publishing. It's time to take a look at some templates that can help shape your website. Click on the Get Started button. This will guide you into selecting a template that suits your needs. If you have your own existing template, feel free to skip this step. If you're looking for ideas or starting points, consider using the Modern Clean SaaS Company template. Now, if you choose to use this template, simply click on Use this template. It's a quick and easy way to get your design onto the web without having to start from scratch. However, if you have a design you'd like to customize more, that's perfectly fine too. Once you've entered the template, take a moment to click on Last Publish at the top. This will allow you to visualize how your website will look once it's all put together. Think of it as previewing your newly baked cake before you present it at the party. Are you happy with how everything looks? Great. The moment of truth is just around the corner. If you're ready to publish your design, keep an eye out for the Publish button in the top left corner. When you click on it, a confirmation box will pop up, confirming that you want to make your design live for the world to see. Once you're confirmed, go ahead and hit that final Publish button. And voila, that's it. Your Figma design is now published and accessible as a live website. It's such an exciting moment to see your hard work take form online. Whether for a personal project, a client, or showcasing your portfolio, publishing your design in Figma can open up a world of opportunities. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide made the process of publishing your Figma design clear and straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy designing!